Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Genie, your go-to channel for troubleshooting tips and tricks. In today's video, I'll be sharing some effective solutions to fix the Instagram app stopped working issue or if your Instagram keeps crashing. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If there's an update available, tap on the Update button to install the latest version. This update will contain bug fixes and performance improvements that can help resolve the issue. If it says open, it means your Instagram app is already up to date and you're good to go. If updating the app doesn't fix the problem, we'll try offloading the app. To do this, go to your device settings, tap on General, and select iPhone storage or similar for Android. Find Instagram on the list, tap on it, and choose the option to offload the app. This will free up storage and clear the cache, which can potentially fix the issue. After offloading, simply reinstall the app and see if the problem persists. If none of the above solutions work, the next step is to check the app permissions. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and find the list of installed apps on your phone. Look for Instagram in alphabetical order, tap on it, and ensure that you have granted the necessary permissions. Make sure Instagram has access to important features like contacts, photos, microphone, and camera. Granting these permissions will ensure the proper functionality of the app. That's it for this tutorial. I hope these steps help you resolve the Instagram app stopped working issue or crashing problems. If this video was helpful to you, let us know in the comments below. And if you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Thank you all for watching, and have a fantastic day.